After the iPhone 12 announcement, I made a video talking about which iPhone 12 I was going to buy. And in that video, I was comparing that new iPhone 12 against a number of older iPhones. I decided I had too many iPhones and I needed to get rid of something. So I decided I was going to give away my 128 gigabyte product red iPhone SE. However, I couldn't find the box. Well, good news is I found the box, and so now it's time for a proper re-boxing. That's a thing. Hey everybody, my name is Jerry, and yes, today we are doing a reboxing of the product red iPhone SE from 2020. Yes, I know the iPhone 12 and the 12 Pro is the big thing that everybody wants and nobody cares about this older stuff. However, this is still a fantastic, awesome little device, especially if you like smaller phones. The product red iPhone SE is essentially an iPhone 11 inside of a iPhone 8 case. Sure, maybe it looks a little bit outdated compared to the newest models of iPhones, but what you don't pay for in those new designs and fancy OLED screens is a very good phone that's gonna last you 4 or 5 years, and you can get it for free by checking the link in the description. Yes, the iPhone SE has a home button and not Face ID. Yes, it's got bezels, but it's also still got a really good screen. Yes, it's an LCD, but it's a great LCD because Apple made it. It's bright enough for most uses, and it's got a good color balance, and it comes with True Tone, so it changes the white balance depending on which room you're in. And just like the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro, you get Apple's A13 processor from last year, which is no slouch by any stretch of the imagination. This thing will run circles against any other comparably priced device out there, including the highest end Android phones that cost $1,000 or more. But let's stop talking about specs because you know what they are. This phone's been out for a while. It's a great phone. It's got a great camera. It's got the image signal processing from the A13. And Apple calls it their best single camera system ever, which, sure, okay. But let me show you what else you're getting inside this reboxed iPhone SE. You, of course, get a brand new lightning cable. Yeah, USB-A to lightning. Let's get that in the box where it goes. And you get AirPods, new unused lightning AirPods, not 3.5 millimeter headphones because, you know, Apple doesn't do that anymore, but lightning. Although this phone, no, it doesn't. There's no headphone jack on here. And I think those go there. You get a USB-A 5-watt power brick, which is more than you get with the iPhone 12 or 12 Pro for, you know, $1,000. And of course, you get this beautiful product red iPhone SE. And in my opinion, this is the right color for product red. Not the weird kind of off color of the iPhone 12, not the weird off color of the iPhone 11. This one and the XR have been the best colors in my opinion. Now hopefully I can color correct this so it actually looks like the real color that it is because it's gorgeous. And I've already reset the phone, so it should be ready to go right out of the box for you to set up. It should be unlocked for any carrier. And this giveaway is only US. Sorry, no international shipping. But because we're in the era of COVID, we're gonna go ahead and clean this guy up. Let's get some rubbing alcohol out here. Make sure it's nice and clean for you. Maybe a little bit for my hands first. Get some on the rag for the phone. Oh, you know what? A little bit for me. Clean this guy right up for you. And we'll turn this off so that you have a good charge when you get it. So the phone is nice and clean. And I'm even gonna try and get the plastic wrapping back on there for you. So let's see how that goes. I just can't do it like they do from the factory. Bubbles everywhere. All right, and the last thing for this box is going to be a little bit of documentation, product red thing, and some stickers. Good news, they're still there. All right, so this iPhone is ready to go. But I'm also going to be including this Spigen Neo hybrid case, which I unboxed when I unboxed the red iPhone. You can check out that video if you're interested in seeing the initial unboxing. And this Moment case for the iPhone SE. And of course, with this case, you can attach Moment lenses or filters and other things like that and do more with your video content. One more bonus thing, screen protector. Yes, I'm a fan of the iCares matte screen protectors. However, this is not an iCares matte screen protector because for whatever reason I couldn't find it. So we have this guy, which is an AM film screen protector, and hopefully it works well for you. So that's it. Just check the link below to enter the giveaway for my product red iPhone SE 128 gigabytes unlocked, US only, 18 years of age or older, please. And if you're interested in seeing what I do with the iPhone 12, my review or unboxings, definitely check out my previous videos and the upcoming videos by hitting the subscribe button and the bell. Hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe if you want, and I'll see you next time.